Good morning, students. Myself Nahid Parveen from Monbretia School, Dhanbad, your EVS teacher. Okay. So, students, today we will start our next chapter, chapter number 4. Okay. So, all of you take out your EVS book, page number 32. Fine. See, children, chapter number 4, an ideal home. Okay. In this chapter, we will discuss about homes or house where we live. Okay. Now, come to the topic. Why do we need a house? Why do we need a houses? Okay. Why we need a house? To protect ourselves from animals, robbers, extreme weather conditions. Okay. See here. After working the whole day long, all of us like to return to our homes. Okay, what does it mean? It means that after working or spending whole day out, we want to return back to our home where we can get ourselves comfortable. Okay, where we can get relax. Okay, we eat, sleep, sleep and keep our things safe in our homes. Okay, in our homes we eat, we sleep, we relax, we get ourselves relaxed, and we kept ourselves, our things also safely. Okay, in our homes. Fine. It protects us from extreme weather conditions. Like, house protects us from extreme weather conditions means rain, heat, sun. Okay. Robbers, it protects us from robbers means chor, daku. Okay. And it also protects us from animals. Okay, wild animals. Fine. Thus everybody needs to have a home where they can feel comfortable. That's why everybody needs a home where they can get themselves comfortable. Okay. The address of our home is its number, the street, road and the city where it is located. And what is the address of our home? It means एड्रेस क्या होता है हम लोग का, जहाँ हम लोग रहते हैं उस जगह का, मोहल्ले का नाम, कॉलोनी का नाम, ये सब की वजह से ये जो होता है हमारे घर का एड्रेस होता है, जिससे हम लोगों का घर आइडेंटिफाई हो सकता है. ओके, नाउ टर्न द पेज. सी टाइप्स ऑफ हाउसेस. There are many kinds of houses. There are many kinds of houses, but that depends on the climate of that place. Okay, what is the climate of that place? Okay, its location, mountains, plains, forests or deserts. Where it is located, mountains, plains, forests or deserts. Fine. Building materials easily found in the place. Building materials easily found in the place means building materials जिससे घर बनता है. Okay, like bricks, cements, etc. can be easily foundable in the place. The money one wants to spend on it, or the money who wants to spend for their house. Okay, how much money they want to spend for making their house. Fine. So children, I hope you all understood very well up to this. Okay, once again I am revising what we have learned in this chapter. For why we need a house, as we all know that house is very important for us. Okay, yeah, house protects us from wild animals, robbers means chor. Okay, robbers, extreme weather conditions. Okay, house, after working whole day we all want to go to our home and get ourselves relaxed. Okay, fine. Types of houses. Okay, it depends upon the climatic conditions. It is where it is located, plains, mountains, deserts, etc. The building materials where it can be found. Okay, and the money one who wants to spend for their making of houses. Okay, so your homework is read chapter 4 page number 32 and 33. Next class we will continue. Thank you.